Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Scorpios, we are picking few cards, guys, and this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. And I also have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading, so that will follow this general energy, guys. Let's start with these cards first. So we have Four of Suns in reverse, the Lovers, and Ten of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life situation. Maybe for some of you, you are making some important decisions today. You are at the crossroads. You need to decide which way you have to go further to further your dreams or your achievements, whatever it is. So, what is the right path you need to go? And for some of you, I see that maybe there are some obstacles you need to face today. Maybe people are someone is there in your situation, maybe, guys, and they are here to help you. So you may not trust them, you may not have that total trust on this person, but this person is here to help you. Maybe they are someone from your work situation, or it may be someone new to you. They may be your friend, but you are not quite close to them, but they are here who is really caring for you, uh, helping you, guiding you, or trying to guide you today, guys, Scorpios. And I also see that you are going to be extremely lucky today, guys, Scorpios. Maybe in your career or in your life, in your personal life, whatever you have wished for yourself, you are going to achieve all that. You are going to be simply successful, happy today. And maybe in your situation, if you are interested in someone, that person may come and propose to you, guys. Or if it is someone in your what to say, or it may be vice versa. Someone is interested in you and you are also interested, and you are proposing to them even before they coming towards you. So some kind of a positive happy changes or happy energy in your situation, guys, and you are going to feel really optimistic. And whatever, maybe it may be some minor obstacles too you are facing today, but you are overcoming all those trials successfully, guys, and you are going to feel really what to say, having that passionate and intimate relationship with this person. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, with these cards, Scorpios. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Seven of Moons. So with this card in your situation, guys, Scorpios, maybe for some of you, you have wild imagination going. Maybe you are planning your future, or you're thinking about your life, your future, maybe dreaming about this person, what you do, what you will be doing in future. So you have great fantasies or dreams, and that is keeping you occupied today, guys, Scorpios. And let's see what is the card for your career situation. So we have Seven of Spheres. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you have worked really hard, you have made lot of efforts, and today you are reaping the benefits, guys. And maybe for some of you, uh, your situation is progressing in a positive way. You are going to be really successful today, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you are interested, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading. That is a special fairy tale pick a card reading, guys, so that may answer your questions. Stay tuned for that, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, today's pick a card, we have two cards here, and it is from the fairy tale oracle. So these cards may clarify your situation, give you some answers. So you need to close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can either meditate thinking of these crystals or with the cards, and then you can choose the card which comes to you first as you open your eyes. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card here. We will see what it is. It is wounds. Verde Prato. That is the card for you all. It just means that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are hiding something. Maybe you are hiding your true feelings for someone from the people close to you. So you have kept some secrets from them, and they are trying to punish you or hurt you because you are holding something secretly close to your heart and you are not willing to reveal that. And maybe today the worst things have happened in your situation because you have held the secret for so long, and something has happened because of that. But today you can reveal your true feelings for this person, and you can speak your mind. So that way you will not put your love or put your feelings to more danger. So there are people in your situation who are trying to control you, guys. They are here as your friend or a family member, but they are trying to control you, dominate you, dominate your decisions or dominate your actions. Because they are really irritated because you have not revealed what is there in your heart to them. So they feel really bad and they want to do something against you. They want to punish you or hurt you in return. But if you want your love to grow or flourish, you have to come out with your true feelings. You have to reveal what you feel about that person in truth, guys. So that way you will be true to your heart, and you need courage in your heart to do that, guys. That is what I see. So you need to face your fears. Maybe you are afraid that this person, maybe your friend or a family member, they may not have that acceptance for this love. But whatever it is, we have to face our fears. Whatever fears we have to face. We have to have that courage in our hearts to stand up for what we believe in and stand up for what we love. So, or for some of you, you are having a secret affair with someone and you are hiding it, maybe. So you need to bring it out, guys. That is the energy with this card. Tell the truth today. That is the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, the first card, let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this crystal and this card, it says fairy ointment, the sight. So the energy with this card is that maybe for some of you, you have some rare gifts. Maybe you have a great intuition guiding you every step of the way. And today, maybe in your circumstance, you are seeing some things and it is truthful to you. You know what will happen, or you know in that circumstance how things are going to go, or you have an idea how things will go, or it will take course. But you need to keep this gift silently, guys, because you should not reveal what you truly feel without people asking you, because it is best that way to give our suggestions only when someone is asking for it, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need to what to say, if you speak without that person asking you what it is, or they may not trust you, they may even feel what to say, irritated, because they may feel that you are saying things because you are jealous or envious towards them. That is the reason you are speaking few things, and they may not even trust your intuition. So if you are someone with some rare gifts, maybe intuition is something I am giving as an example, maybe you know, or for some of us, we may have a feeling that something bad, when something bad is about to happen, we may have some kind of a premonition. So when we have that, those kind of gifts, it is best that we keep it to ourselves instead of revealing it. We can suggest some things to help that person to avoid that circumstance, but we should not come out with the truth that we see things in such a way, or we fear that so and so may take place, and we should not tell our we should not talk openly about our gifts, guys. Maybe this may be your circumstance today, guys, so you need to be silent. If you have some intuition telling you some certain things, you need to be silent. And if it is with someone really close to you, you can just help them avoid that situation, guys, so that way it is not going to affect that person nor you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, guys, thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If this video if this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.